Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is me Vedika and welcome back to yet another busy vlog. So I just came back from my brother's wedding yesterday and we had like a couple of things to do. So I got free at around 3:30 a.m. and it is Monday today. So I was supposed to go to college but I thought that I'll take a leave today. I'll take some rest because it's been very hectic, but I have to go to college because I have a quiz scheduled at 3:35. So I'll need to go for that. So I'll like go. So I just need to go for like 10 minutes. So do that. So I need to study for it, Avi. And then also we have this M Bazaar at a college for the next 3 days, 10th, 11th and 12th. And उसके लिए I need to prepare a lot. हमने कुछ भी तैयारी नहीं करी है because I was so busy with this wedding prep. So अब we need to do that as well. So we'll have like our exhibition slash stall kind of a thing in college. So वो भी होने वाला है. So it's gonna be very very hectic and then in terms की तैयारी शुरू हो जाएगी. So the coming week and the coming days are gonna be very 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 hectic. So let's get ready for that and let's prepare for that. I thought कि मैं इन सब के बाद wedding के बाद एक reset routine करूँगी but it is not possible right now. बिल्कुल भी time नहीं है कुछ भी करने का. So we'll just get in the flow and start working. 9 to 5 I have my classes and then I have my M Bazaar till 8:30 and then I need to study as well. So बहुत hectic होने वाला है. But this is MBA, this is what we signed up for. Guys, I forgot to add one more thing to my list. One of our clients at Create is launching their brand on 12th of December, which is literally day after tomorrow. And we have to work for that also. We need to do quite a lot of work for that. So वो भी एक काम है and that is also very very important. अभी फिलहाल I'm gonna study for my quiz. It is scheduled at 3:30 जिसके लिए मुझे कॉलेज आना पड़ेगा around 2. I leave. So I have like 1 hour to study and then get ready. So after studying for the quiz, I quickly got ready and went to college. Fortunately, my dad had some work that side, so he dropped me off. Task 1 is complete. Now we have to do a lot of work. Let's do that. So I had a lot of pending work for Create and I knew कि घर जाती I would have been very tired and कोई काम नहीं होता. So instead I went to Select City, had some hot chocolate and did a lot of work. I am so happy that I did this. मैं बहुत कम ऐसे गई हूँ बाहर अकेले कुछ काम करने but it was a really good time. Guys, I've got my parents to this Sheikh Chang Singh place जहाँ के मोमोज एंड उसका शोरमा मेरा फेवरेट है. Let's see अच्छा लगा. They liked it. They had the best momos. How's it?
It's really awesome.
I can bet you on these momos. So I'm back home. After giving quiz, I went to Select City to get some work done क्योंकि मुझे लग रहा था घर आगे इतना काम नहीं हो पाएगा and Select City is very near to my college. So I went there and right now I have things that I've done is I've studied for my quiz, given my quiz, did my Create work and also I've studied a bit for my eco quiz which is scheduled for tomorrow. So अब जो बचा है वो है M Bazaar का वो काम. We have to figure out backdrops and everything else. But firstly I really wanna clean my room right now because I know कि next week बहुत hectic होने वाला है. So I want to have that clear space of mind. So let's clean my room right now and then let's begin the work again. So I just came back from the wedding and ये मेरे dressing table की हालत है. This is annoying me right now. So I really want to clean this first and then do anything else. And surprisingly, the day turned out to be really productive. I didn't want to push myself a lot, so that's all I did. Hi everyone, so it's the next day and I just came back from college and I was really really tired today. I really wanted to sleep for a while but I have to go somewhere because tomorrow there is M Bazaar at a college basically setting up like a photo booth at a college, and I have to get some work done for that. To leave immediately to get some stuff for tomorrow, and I'm really tired. I just really need some sleep. And it's the day of M Bazaar. So M Bazaar is basically a 3-day event which is organized by our college for all the students to set up their stall and gain some entrepreneurial experience. This day was also the most hectic because we were still figuring out how to do stuff, how to manage everything. तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा chaotic था ये, but it was also very fun and we got to learn a lot from this. I also had my ego wares for the display, but ये खाली first day के लिए था क्योंकि सब manage करना बहुत ज़्यादा difficult हो गया था. So I did not continue that for the next 2 days. And that was it about the first day. And this is day 2. आज हमारे कॉलेज में एक leadership talk थी, so we had to wear formals for that. And then we had our M Bazaar. We started setting up the stall once again. Guys, it's MBA Bazaar day 2. नहीं M Bazaar day 2. मैंने MBA. Tripod, fairy lights, and ring light. So we basically had 2 options at our stall. One was to get like a proper Polaroid picture, and the other one was to get like these pictures जो कि हम printouts दे रहे थे with different customizable frames. And हमारे पास Polaroid के भी different frames थे, but उसमें एक frame एक टाइम पे यूज़ होता है. We also had props this time, जिसमें MBA था and और भी बहुत सारे different props थे. The gadgets we were using, first one was this Instax Mini 9 and this Sony camera. Pack up for day 2. पूरा लगाना है, पूरा पैक करना है. It's not easy. Guys, so many संदेश. किसको संदेश देना है अपने? It's 11 p.m. and I'm just reached home. I'm so tired. I have classes again from 9 a.m. tomorrow, and then M Bazaar till 9:30. So it's gonna be a pretty hectic day tomorrow as well. And it is day 3 today, and यहाँ तक आते आते हमें definitely एक idea हो गया था कि क्या कैसे करना है. So we had like a hold of setting up the stall, and it was quite manageable this time. And also ये M Bazaar का अब तक का longest day होने वाला था, so we were pretty excited for this. It's day 3 of M Bazaar, and अभी it's around 8 p.m. अभी 8:30 हो रहे हैं. अभी we have got like an hour break क्योंकि हमारे कृतवा इवेंट जो होता है MI का, उसका लॉन्च हो रहा है. So 1 hour के लिए पूरा ब्लैकआउट है, एंड अभी हमारा ब्रेक है उससे. So हम वापस स्टार्ट करेंगे. एंड कंसिडरिंग द पास्ट फ्यू डेज आई हैव अ लॉट टू से, जो आई विल शेयर एवरीथिंग अबाउट द इवेंट एंड एवरीथिंग लास्ट में. बट today it's been such a crazy day at the stall. Literally I had to order Polaroids 2 times again क्योंकि हमें आइडिया था कि एकदम से सारे लोग आ जाएंगे. But yeah, it was a really good day today, and abhi I am waiting for that restock to happen again. So yeah, but it is so fun. We are enjoying each and every moment of this. It's very fun. We are getting to learn a lot of things as well. So yeah, and अभी हम कुछ खाने वाले क्योंकि बहुत भूख लग रही है. We're gonna eat something and then break के बाद वापस we're gonna start. तब I guess हमारे पास 1 hour ही बचेगा बस. So yeah. And putting up a stall, it's so difficult. पूरा उसको सेटअप करना, फिर वापस उतारना, देन वापस क्लास में आना सुबह एंड वापस ये सब करना. The 3 days have been very hectic. In fact पूरा जितना ही वीक था काफ़ी हेक्टिक था क्योंकि पहले शादी थी घर में, क्विज थी, प्रेजेंटेशंस हैं, इसके बाद असाइनमेंट्स इतने सारे, ऐसे लग रहा है बहुत कुछ आ गया है. एंड इवन वन ऑफ अ क्लाइंट इज लॉन्चिंग दियर ब्रांड ऑन Amazon, तो उसका भी काफ़ी काम है. सो वी हैव लाइक अ लॉट ऑफ वर्क. बहुत ओवरवेलमिंग लगता है सब कुछ एकदम से, But yeah, I'm trying to balance everything, and I think that is what MBA is all about, to balance everything and to handle this pressure. So yeah. And that's it about the vlog. Hope you enjoyed, and